Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So this video is just an additional video showing you basically how to copy it onto the microbit, because last video it wasn't really that clear, so I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step instructions how to do it with the microbit version 1 and version 2. This only applies to you if you have the microbit, so please continue watching if you have it. So as you can see, this is the project I made last episode, and we're first going to show you how to transfer it for the version 1. So as you can see, I'm recording the microbit in real life and this screen at the same time. So what I'm going to do first is click download, and you should see that file here. So basically what I'm going to do is drag and drop it into one of these microbit sections. So it doesn't matter which one you do it, I'm just going to do it in this one. And then as you can see, it's downloading the item or copying it. And while we copy it, there's going to be a yellow flashing light over here. So I'm just going to wait until it's done. Now the light has stopped flashing, and if I turn it over, it's basically going to do the program. So that's how you know if it's downloading. So guys, I'm going to show you how to download the same code but on a version 2. This method will not work on the older version ones, as there's separate versions for the versions, if you know what I mean. They don't release a new version such as version 1 or 2 if they make a minor update to it. So what we have to do is drag our mouse down here and then click on these 3 buttons. Then we want to click connect device, next, next, and then you can see your microbit over here. So you click that, then click connect. And it should say your microbit is connected, and if you click the download button, it will automatically copy the code to your microbit without having to drag and drop it in the file. So click done, then click download. Yep, now it works. So if this does not work for you, maybe try refreshing, or check if your microbit is paired, then click reset permission, because sometimes this didn't work for me, but refreshing fixed it. And also you could check if your microbit is paired or not. So after all this, if it still says connect, it means that your microbit is not paired and the code will not transfer. And now it is successfully working.